Welcome back to AutoMaster, your trusted hub for the most exclusive, luxurious, and futuristic rides in the automotive world. Today, we are unveiling something truly majestic, a masterpiece that redefines travel in its most elegant form. This is the all-new 2026 Rolls-Royce Motor Home, a vehicle that blends aristocratic style with high-end technology and home-level comfort. Rolls-Royce has taken a bold step beyond limousines and coupes, stepping into the world of luxury recreational vehicles, and they have done it in a way only Rolls-Royce can. The exterior design of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motor Home commands attention with its grand proportions and unmistakable presence. It carries the same iconic Pantheon grille and spirit of ecstasy hood ornament that fans of the brand recognize instantly. The body is sculpted with a balance of classical grace and modern sophistication, featuring a multi-tone paint finish that can be customized to virtually any preference. Chrome accents, extended LED matrix lighting, and an aerodynamically contoured silhouette make this vehicle both majestic and surprisingly efficient for its size. Inside is where Rolls-Royce truly shines. The cabin of this motorhome is less like a vehicle and more like a mobile penthouse suite. With a fully insulated, climate-controlled interior, the 2026 model offers heated marble floors, reclining massage chairs upholstered in bespoke leather, and hand-carved wood panels from sustainably sourced forests. The lounge area transforms into a cinema room with a retractable 80-inch OLED display and immersive 360-degree sound system. For those seeking privacy or rest, the rear suite includes a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, full-size wardrobe, and a starlight ceiling that mimics the constellations of your choosing. The motorhome features a full kitchen equipped with induction cooktops, wine coolers, and smart refrigerators, all voice-activated and remotely accessible. The bathroom is equally impressive, with gold-trimmed fixtures, rainfall shower, and even a compact sauna. Everything in this vehicle is voice-controlled or managed through a central touchscreen interface that learns your habits through AI, ensuring comfort, security, and ease of use. Under the hood, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motor Home is powered by a hybrid V12 engine combined with an electric motor setup, ensuring a silent yet powerful driving experience. The air suspension system has been specially calibrated for long-distance comfort, while the all-wheel steering ensures maneuverability even in tight urban conditions. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic obstacle avoidance, and even an autopilot mode designed specifically for highway cruising. This vehicle isn't just transportation, it's a destination in itself. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motor Home is tailored for the elite who want to explore the world without compromising on comfort, privacy, or class. Whether parked by the lake or cruising through the Alps, this motorhome offers an experience unlike any other. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more deep dive reviews and luxury vehicle showcases. This is AutoMaster, and we